In trading, we often carry too much baggage, making our mindset and strategies heavy and ineffective. Happiness and success in trading are not always about what we try to accumulate, but rather about what we already have and are willing to let go of when it no longer serves us. Letting go in trading does not mean abandoning everything. It means filtering out and retaining only the strategies and processes that work effectively and suit your personal style. This could involve discarding a faulty trading system, bad habits, or even negative thoughts that hold you back from seizing opportunities that lie ahead. If you're seeking ways to improve performance and simplify your trading process, start by eliminating unnecessary burdens. Sometimes, even a small change in your mindset and approach can lead to significant breakthroughs. Here, we share 9 essential things a trader should let go of to achieve clarity, peace, and genuine success. Dear traders, just like optimizing your investment portfolio, decluttering your wardrobe requires discipline and consideration. Often, we hold on to items because we once loved them or think we might need them someday. But let's be honest, how many items have sat unused for an entire year? Sentimental value or potential worth may sound reasonable, but they often weigh us down mentally and physically. Similarly, a trader can free up mental and physical space by letting go of underperforming investments to focus on promising opportunities. Removing unused items from your wardrobe not only clears physical space, but also streamlines your life and lightens your mindset. It's like reorganizing your personal assets to focus on what truly matters. Try it, and you'll notice a positive change not just in your wardrobe but in your state of mind as well. Here are 18 things that every trader needs to learn to live a happier and more peaceful life. 1. Organize your workspace and portfolio. Start by tidying up your workspace. Reassess every tool, chart, or strategy you're using and ask yourself, does this strategy still align with the current market? When was the last time this tool truly added value? If the answer is no, let it go. Instead of holding on to everything, keep only the tools that bring value and genuinely serve your goals. This not only cleans your physical space, but also sharpens your focus when making decisions. A streamlined portfolio focused on assets you thoroughly understand will reduce stress and enhance confidence while trading. 2. Let go of negative self-talk in trading psychology. In trading, your inner dialogue plays a critical role in shaping your mood and actions. Instead of saying, "I always fail in this market," try rephrasing it as, "My losses are valuable lessons helping me improve." Replace self-criticism like, "Why didn't I cut my losses earlier?" with positive reinforcement, "I've learned to monitor risks more carefully now." Positive language doesn't ignore risks, but helps you focus on solutions and refine your strategies. You build a habit of encouraging yourself and viewing trading as a learning process to foster a more constructive mental environment. 3. Keep your phone out of the trading space. Just as bedrooms should be free from distractions, so should your trading space. Scrolling through social media or checking unrelated updates during trading hours can pull your focus away and expose you to external noise. Try placing your phone in another room and only checking it when absolutely necessary. Instead, use your mornings to prepare mentally, review the market with clarity, and set the tone for your day. Incorporate habits like meditation, journaling your trades, or reading resources to boost your skills, helping you start each trading day with positive energy and full concentration. 4. Let go of rushed trading habits. While financial markets move quickly, that doesn't mean you should rush to keep up. Hasty decisions often lead to unnecessary mistakes. Learn to slow down and appreciate every step of the analysis process, reading charts, evaluating trends, and placing trades with intention. Take inspiration from the Japanese tea ceremony culture. Approach each task calmly and with focus. Place trades not just to earn profits, but to embrace the journey of understanding and navigating the market with confidence and composure. 5. Focus on each trading action. Trading isn't about executing as many trades as possible. Let go of a rushed approach and focus on every single action, from analyzing charts and indicators to thoughtfully placing trades. This doesn't mean delaying decisions, but rather carrying them out with heightened focus and awareness. By fully committing your attention to each decision, you'll not only improve performance, but but also find peace and purpose in each step of your journey. 6. Learn to say no to unfit opportunities. Traders are often caught up in the habit of saying yes to every trading opportunity. However, not every signal or piece of advice aligns with your strategy. This habit can spread your energy too thin and even reduce trading efficiency. Carefully consider each new trade by asking yourself, does this trade align with my goals and trading style? If the answer is no, confidently decline it. Doing so not only protects your capital, but also enhances your focus and commitment to your trading plan. 7. Let go of the quest for the perfect trade. Many traders obsess over finding the perfect trade or waiting for the ideal moment to enter the market. However, markets are constantly changing and perfection is unattainable. Let go of the expectation that you must always maximize profits or avoid losses entirely. Instead, focus on consistently executing your strategy and being fully present in each decision. Remember, success in trading is not about individual trades, but the sustainable results of your entire process. 8. Stop seeking validation for your strategy. In trading, you may face skepticism from others, even from the trading community. Keep in mind that no one fully understands your strategy, goals, or mindset better than you do. Don't waste time trying to explain or justify your decisions to others. Instead, focus on deepening your self-awareness and improving your skills. When you have genuine confidence in your plan, you'll no longer feel the need to convince others of its validity. 9. Let go of comparisons and find joy in the process. Happiness doesn't lie in massive profits or the perfect trades you envision for the future. It lies in each moment you learn, improve, and execute your plans. Instead of setting overly high expectations and feeling disappointed when you fall short, focus on appreciating every small step of progress. Each trading day, whether it brings gains or losses, is an opportunity to grow, and that is the true essence of success. 10. Accept market uncertainty. The market is ever-changing, and nothing is guaranteed. Expecting to fully control the outcome of your trades only adds unnecessary pressure and anxiety. Let go of the expectation that you must always be right. Embracing losses as a natural part of trading will free your mind, allowing you to focus on managing risks and optimizing strategies. The journey of letting go not only helps you trade more effectively, but also brings peace and freedom to your soul. Start with small changes to build a mindful and balanced trading style. 11. Instead of trying to make the market understand you, understand yourself. The market has no emotions and doesn't treat anyone differently. Don't waste time trying to prove you're right or seeking approval from other traders. Instead, spend time exploring your trading style, defining the right strategy, and building confidence based on your core values. This will help you avoid distractions from external opinions and bring a sense of freedom and ease to your trading mindset. 12. Let go of strategies that no longer work. Not every trading strategy is effective forever. Strategies that once worked well may lose relevance as markets change or as you grow as a trader. Recognize when a method is no longer aligned with your goals. Instead of clinging to it, appreciate the lessons it taught you, let it go, and create space to develop new, more effective strategies. 13. Release the need for absolute control in trading. The market is full of surprises, and no one can control everything. Trying to manage every price movement, every trade, or every outcome only increases stress and pressure. Instead, focus on the aspects you can control, such as risk management, trading discipline, and adapting to market conditions. Trust that you can trade effectively without needing to control everything, maintaining a calm and focused mindset. 14. Stop procrastinating and act promptly in the market. Procrastination not only causes missed trading opportunities, but also creates mental pressure, reducing your ability to make accurate decisions. In trading, timing is crucial, and hesitation can lead to unnecessary losses. Break down tasks like market analysis, entry point identification, and stop-loss placement into smaller, manageable steps. Taking small, deliberate actions as soon as a suitable signal appears will help you overcome procrastination and trade more proactively and effectively. 15. Accept that not every trade will be right. Not all trades result in profits, and that's completely normal in trading. Instead of trying to prove you're right by holding on to losing positions for too long or being frustrated with unfavorable outcomes, learn to accept and draw lessons from them. This allows you to focus on the process rather than just the results, helping you maintain resilience in the market. 16. Create space for new opportunities. Just like in relationships, not every trade or portfolio deserves your time and energy forever. If a trade or strategy no longer provides positive value, be bold enough to let it go to free up resources for new, more promising opportunities. The market is constantly evolving, and staying ready to adapt will help you grow sustainably. 17. Learn to be flexible instead of seeking absolute control. Rather than stressing over factors beyond your ability to predict, focus on improving your adaptability and responsiveness. For example, instead of trying to control volatility, develop a clear and flexible trading plan. This not only boosts your confidence in decision-making, but also helps you maintain balance regardless of how the market changes. 18. Let trading become a natural part of your life. Trading isn't everything. Taking time to care for yourself, your family, and enjoying life will help you maintain a stable mindset. When you stop overburdening yourself with the results of trading, you'll realize that the market is a place to learn and grow, not a source of constant stress. By letting go of unnecessary habits and pressures and focusing on what truly matters, you'll become a freer, more mindful, and more effective trader.